For today's dinner idea, I want to show you guys how to make some tasty sirloin that's marinated. And I'm going to also have on the side for vegetables, potato, asparagus, and mushrooms. So what you're going to do is you're going to have your meat marinated in your choice of butter, or you can even put some type of wine. That's just what I use in this case. Have your stove preheated to 375 for 7 minutes on each side. Make sure you add your spices while it's marinating, and after the 7 minutes you're going to also want to make sure, since it has a lot of fluid that comes off, that you take some of that juice and put it aside, and then put it back in for another 7 minutes. I had it at 375 Fahrenheit, which is like 191 Celsius. So this is how it looks after the 14 minutes. Now what I'm going to do is actually put it for another 5, because I like to have my meat fairly cooked so that it's more like well done. And here's how it looks when it finishes. So it was pretty, a quick meal. Now for the vegetables, you're going to do the same thing. Have your sauce that you poured off, you're going to put a little bit of that in your pan, and you're also going to have your seasonings on your vegetables. And it's going to be in for about 5 minutes. And you'll flip it, have it at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, which is like 204 degrees Celsius. And then that's about it. If you like it to be even more like a softer with like a slight crunch, then I put it in for another 6 minutes and I sprayed it with some spray butter. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this tasty meal. And this is how my potatoes, vegetables that have asparagus and mushroom with it, and how my steak looked. And I had some rice on the side. Don't forget to hit subscribe, hit the bell for more notifications, as well as a comment down below and to give me a like. And until next time, this was Dinner Ideas with Melissa. Bye!